is the argument that humans have nothing to do with changing the climate and therefore affecting the development of systems. One of the things that we have always talked about is the delicate nature of the climate system, and that any action that we take here on Earth can either enhance or negatively impact the climate system. So yes, humans can influence the climate system and can contribute to a changing climate. What we may see as a consequence of the changing climate is that we could see much stronger hurricanes when they do spin up and form. But as far as frequency, there is no relationship at this time that can be found between climate change and the frequency of increased frequencies of hurricanes. One of the many variables that impact the formation of hurricanes is sea surface temperature. That is one of the variables that we refer to as necessary but not sufficient. Necessary because you need the warm ocean as the source of energy. Not sufficient because there are other variables that contribute to the formation of hurricanes. Another factor that we take into the formation that contributes to hurricane or tropical cyclone formation is the amount of water we have in the atmosphere. One of the requirements is that we have an area of active thunderstorms. For clouds to form, it requires water. So yes, water vapor is another good characteristic required for the formation of hurricanes. However, again, by itself, it is not a sufficient condition. There are many things that have to come together. For instance, how strong is the El Nino? Do we have a lot of African dust that may be inhibiting the amount of radiation reaching the surface of the ocean, or that is drying out the atmosphere? Do we have a lot of wind shear that does not allow clouds to really spin up and continue to grow? Those are just some of the other things that come in. The climate change and the tropical storm frequency continues to be a hotly debated issue. It's going to continue to be debated for many, many years to come. The research is ongoing. We're making a lot of progress in the research. Nonetheless, all that means nothing if you're not prepared. The key here is to be prepared for any season. It does not matter whether the number of storms are predicted to be many or the number of storms are predicted to be not many. The fact of the matter is, one has got to be prepared for the worst, and we hope for the best. So preparation is the key. Prepare, prepare, prepare. That is the key to survival in any hurricane season.